So you might be in this weird position where for some reason your camera is very blurry when you are taking photos. Now, this can happen for a ton of different reasons, but I'll be honest, you kind of have to focus in on which camera is it. Is it your front camera or is it your back camera? Now, there's a really easy fix to this, okay? If it's your back or front camera, what you want to do is you want to take a photo, you want to go ahead and bust open your camera. And once you're here, all you want to see is how blurry is it. If it's a super blurry image and it's just like crazy, then I'll go ahead and tell you how to fix it. However, if it's a clear image coming from your camera and it doesn't look blurry at all, then I'll also tell you how to fix that in like 2 seconds. But the very first thing, if you're looking through your camera and it's blurry, it looks very soggy and all that nasty stuff, a great way to fix this is actually to look at the camera sensor itself. Now, as you can see, I have my camera sensor right here, and you have to remember that most of the time your camera is in your pocket, you're getting a lot of stuff on it, and you just want to take a look at it and see how crummy and how like bad it really looks. If there's a bunch of gunk on it and there's crumbs all over the place, then it's like your sweat is all over the place, then it's not going to be the best quality of photo that you can possibly get from it. So what you need to do is you need to get a cotton rag or get your t-shirt or something and basically just clean out the camera lens with your t-shirt or whatever it is. Now that is the best way to do it. You can also do it with the front camera as well, which is right here. You just want to go ahead, grab that same thing and just clean it off like this. You don't want to use your fingers because your fingers also have stuff on them. You want to use a rag of some sort and clean it off that way. Now at this point, you want to go back into your camera and you will see that the camera will probably end up looking better more times than not. Now in this case, it probably looks worse because I used my finger on it. But let's just say the photo still looks the same. It looks good and everything, but for some reason, it just doesn't look that great when you take the photo. Now, a great and common thing I see with this case is you have to make sure that first of all, you are using the proper lens. As you can see, I'm in portrait mode. You want to make sure it says photo down here. If you want to take this type of photo, if you are using a portrait mode photo, take it there. But a very important thing to keep in mind is that when you are taking this photo, you want to make sure you're not moving the camera around when you're taking that photo, because sometimes you can take the photo and if you're moving the camera like this, or if you're in a really weird spot, basically that camera will just, or that photo won't look as good because it's, moving around. So you want to make sure you have a good grip on the camera, and when you hit it, you want to make sure you're not wobbling the camera around, because sometimes you can do it and you might see that the photo may not look as good. In this case, it actually looks pretty decent. But if you're moving around a lot and everything, you want to make sure it's in a good quality. You want to make sure you're not moving the camera around too much. Now, another thing you can do if that doesn't help it either is to restart your phone / reset your phone. Now, most of the time, if you're still able to see the camera and everything, it could be a software issue. So resetting the phone and shutting it down or restarting it can also help. But sometimes waiting for an update can also help as well. Sometimes there are software updates that kind of hinder the performance sometimes. So like I said before, kind of going and actually updating your phone can also help alleviate this problem as well. So those are a couple ways on exactly how to potentially fix your camera if it's a super blurry image and all that stuff. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.